Go. Okay, guys, look at this. This is the name Barbie. Barbie is want this house because she have windows in her house. Look at the back one. It's so big, huh? Look at the smart one. This is have a ladders, but look at on the door. Look closely. In the closely, we had some light there because we have more seeing, but we have light here. The light will come
Mommy?
here. Do you see that? No. You can get up or down.
I love you kasi best nag-download ka talaga ng YouTube.
She prepared a flag last Monday. And then
Grabe
she
naman!
running and playing, but next day she is come back. The flag she put on her door. But
I'm sorry.
Barbie wants to see her. But I have more Legos here. But you have to get them to the Shopee one. And you have play them and the board come there too. Search Lego building. And this is the telescope. And she can see everything now. And she is hiding here because her mommy became angry. And her mommy get here and he said, "Want to play? This is the grass. I just mistaken because this look like a cactus. But this is the small tree. This is
Look at the tattoo.
you can get the one of this yellow. Okay, and yellow one.
Barbie.
The mellow one.
Kita
That is a melon
yung
tree.
kasi gusto ko yan kitain.
Okay, that is
Kasi,
really nice.
kasi hindi mo yan panbulag. Kasi,
This is
dark.
for kids would have
Gusto ko yan
movies.
kitain.
Movies for kids. But kids, you have to see this because you became bigger and you see this how to make it right. Look at kids. Oh. Kids, we have to make this wonderful. Kids, we see the flag but have no. Barbie have no eyes because this Lego is have no stickers. Only one.
Me
have
too!
no. And another one left for the Lego building. Lego building is much fun. Okay, hey guys, bye. See you next on Monday night. You see that on Monday night we have to